Hey, I'm Brian, and I hope I can make this quick, at least quicker than the final 5-hour chemistry exam I just wrote. This channel just hit 4,000 subscribers in under a year, and even though I didn't have a lot of knowledge about making videos before, and quite frankly still don't, but this is really amazing. I want to thank you a lot for that. I know a lot of YouTubers say this, but without you this wouldn't be possible, so thank you again for 4,000 subscribers. But what is much more important is the next 1,000. Not only because 5,000 is a nice number, but also because with 5,000 subscribers, I can get press or media access to IFA later this year in September. Now, why would you want me to get press access to IFA? Well, with one of those nice media or press badges, you can skip lines, get to areas you normally wouldn't be able to, and talk to people that you normally wouldn't be able to talk to. So that all enables you to get devices in your hands that you normally wouldn't be able to get in your hands and take footage of them, because that's what I'm there for. I want to show you footage of all of the new things that are announced. And I can do that better when I can see more things that you want to know of. Now, the sign-up phase for these media tickets is through June and July. And that's where that 5,000 subscriber number comes in, because you need 5,000 subscribers in order to get such a ticket. So, in order to get to 5,000 subscribers within the next 3 months, I'm going to have a lot of great stuff planned. I have laptop reviews, phone reviews, a new setup tour that I already teased. But it's not only on me to make this happen. The great content that I hope to bring to you is one thing, but as I said before, you also play a very important role in the success of this YouTube channel. So I'm encouraging you to tell your friends, tell other YouTubers, tell your grandma about this YouTube channel, so we can spread the word and make this happen. And if you're another YouTuber watching this, it would be great if you could do anything to help me out. I'm sure that the people that you refer won't be disappointed, and you won't be either, because again, I have a lot of great things planned, and the content that I can produce at IFA with these tickets will be even better. But that's basically all I wanted to say. The next 3 months are going to have great content and hopefully also great growth. Don't forget to press that follow button on Twitter. I'm Brian. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.